students, welcome to Detvora School. Today I want to make a snowman craft for you. Let's say together, snowman. Snowman. Take please one large sock, a baby sock, buttons, rice or beans, white, red, orange thread, scissors, black pen or marker. Take a big sock and fill it with rice or beans. I have a Christmas sock. Say it, Christmas sock. Now take please elastic band and divide the sock into two pieces. Down is bigger, up is smaller. Take a white thread and fix the up of the sock, then cut off other part. Now take please 3 or 2 buttons and a thread which you are going to use. Say buttons, buttons. Do you know the song about snowman? Say it, I'm a little snowman, look at me. These are my buttons, 1, 2, 3. These are my eyes, and this is my nose. I wear a hat and scarf, brr, that's cold, yeah? Now take an orange thread and sew a nose, orange nose. What shape is it? It's circle, but you can make triangle too. Now take a black marker and draw eyes of a snowman. Say it with me. Eyes, eyes, black eyes. Snowman has got black eyes and orange nose. Your snowman is almost ready. Cut please a scarf from your sock that we cut before. Hand the scarf around his neck, around his neck. That's good, well done. Now take please a baby sock and cover snowman's head. Cover his head with a baby sock. Well done! Your snowman is ready. Now take a photo. Detvora School and me, Miss Sophie, wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.